I'm heading north on University, and I just passed Taft Street and Pasadena, and I'm right at Pasadena Boulevard. I'm gonna make a U-turn, and this will take me to my destination. When you're on the road sometimes and you're looking for exotic ingredients, you know, Indian, Asian and all of that, sometimes you have to go out of your way. And so this is what I'm doing now. I just turn at the Cuban cuisine place, and I'm turning into this mall right here. And if you look over there, my destination is right here. It is the Flavors of India shop. Yes, the Flavors of India shop right there, guys. And I tell you, everything that you think you may need for your Indian cuisine, it's found in that place. Let's go over there now. So Flavors of India is located in Pembroke Pines of University, just before you get to Sheridan Street heading north. It's a very, very quaint little store with approximately 2 aisles, you know, 2 long aisles. And they have everything from Indian ice cream to you name it. If you're from India, you will know. If you're from Trinidad, if you're Hindu, and you may be familiar with some of the products and the names, you will know. You will love it. If you're curious just as I am, it would be awesome to go in there, just to walk through the aisles and look at the different stuff that they offer and to experiment. If you're a person like me who wants to turn your hand make fashion, then you want to know what badam is. You want to know what it's used for and how it tastes. If you want to know what different chutneys are good to add to different food items, that's where you want to go. If you want to learn about samosas, if you want to learn about Indian crepes and Indian wraps, and if you want to learn about Indian flavors, this is where you want to go. A beautiful little place. I'm taking the time to do a lot more exploring than I need to, because I want to leave with more knowledge of the Indian cuisine. I'm picking up a couple of stuff, maybe 1 or 2 things, not that much today, but at the same time, it is important to spend time just fascinating myself with the different cultural foods that are available. I'm not gonna stop until I try them one and all and learn how them good and how them bad, and learn how them taste and how them don't taste. Like for instance, this paratha. I came here before and I tried it and I loved it. It is totally awesome. Vegetables, yeah, roasted in a nice flat bread, and when you warm it up, it is divine. There is so many more that are in here. Let's take a look. Samosas. Look at this. Beef samosa, chicken samosa, vegetable samosa. Look at the different soups and stocks and different snacks that are available. Yeah, man. If you like to step out of the box, you need to check out this place, Flavors of India. Nice place. This is not an endorsement video. It's just me traveling out and about and looking at what is here and what is there and what is available, and try new things, which I commend you and I implore you to do as well. Look on curry powder. 5 different types of curry powder. 10 or 15 different ways to cook beef. 40 different ways to cook chicken. And I promise you, there's so much more ways to cook vegetables. You need to come over to Flavor of India. I never knew it was there. And now that I've found it, I'm not gonna stop until I try every single one of these dishes. I promise you. Alright, but we go and look. Yes, I really like them. And the price is also very reasonable. And yes, it is. Oh wow. You have the pani puri. How much are the pani puri?
449.
And do you have that thing that you do put in on the inside?
It's at the base. Yeah, two of them.
Oh wow! Oh wow!
That.
And then you do that. I'm gonna try one.
Sure.
This one is a good one to try. This brand.
One of the best brands we have.
Wow. It's got a couple of items from the Indian store. I didn't want to walk around too much in the man's store. You know, they're not about that type of exposure. I had this vegetable paratha. This is so good, guys. Trust me. And you can just warm it up in your toaster oven or in the microwave. Well, you can put it in your oven. I got the vegetable paratha. And I also got this, which I think is very, very good. That I can get this outside of India. This is pani puri. And it comes with the sauce and everything. I'm gonna make that in another video. And then I also got some samosas, and this is made with potato, like a potato type of patty type of thing. And so I'm gonna also try that also. Well, as a matter of fact, well, let me clean my hands and then try that. But those are just a few things that I got in the Flavor of India store. And yeah, it's a good place to try. Just check it out. It's on University, right at Pasadena Boulevard, when you're heading north in Pembroke Pines at Pasadena Boulevard. Yeah. All right, so my hands are clean, and this is the samosa. Yeah, look like almost like a little regular patty. Tastes real good. Spicy, creamy. Not just potato and a whole bunch of spices in a little shell, you know, like a potato patty. And that's a good idea. Make some potato Jamaica. That's good. It's a cross between a patty and an empanada. See there? That's a samosa. Tastes good. Like it. So we just couldn't eat the next one. You know, I bought two. As you know, I couldn't just eat it, so I had to make the wifey try it, and so she can tell you what it tastes like.
I'm super hungry, so I'm excited. What is it all there?
It's a samosa.
What is that?
It's an Indian, like an Indian patty or empanada. Want you? We need some
Slow motion.
That's potato on the inside, you know.
Are you sure? It kind of has the same flaky crust like empanada, but for some reason it's not greasy.
No, it's not greasy.
Not at all greasy.
Like it's baked, it's not fried. I don't think it's fried.
Wow. I like it.
You like it? I went to the Flavors of India store.
This is a nice lunch item or a snack item. I like it a lot. It should have a sauce though.
Maybe. But it's not served, not sold with a sauce. And it's baked fresh every day.
Okay.
Tastes good, right?
I hint of pepper.
Yeah, you're gonna get a little spicy pepper, a little pepper at the end.
I can see this with tamarind sauce.
Awesome. And these are some of the snacks that I got at Flavors of India. I don't know the names, but you know, it's good to try these different snacks. I don't even know what some of these are. This one is dal biji. This one is kata mika, and it's sweet and salty mix of sago and rice flakes. That's another one. And the gentleman told me that these are very popular, so we're gonna try them. This one is, what I want the name, Josh? Chekaralu, Southern Indian famous snack of rice and gram flour. And the last one is, it's just called mixture. Mixture. This is just called mixture. So these are all Indian snacks that we're gonna try, and I can't wait to try the pani puri. I promise you, this one has me weak. I can't wait to try this one. Alright, so we're gonna try those. But yeah, I definitely recommend that if you're in South Florida, you know, go to Flavors of India. And wherever you are, change up your eating a little bit. Get creative and go exploring. Find new ways of eating new things and all them something there. So yeah, Taste of India is one of the places that you can stop for street food. What is something name again? See, samosa. The samosa was awesome, and what's the next thing? The other one that's in the freezer. The round thing that we have with the flour, with the vegetable in it. Pass it again, let me see. Vegetable something. It's right there. See it right there in the red man. This is so paratha. Yes, this is so good, guys. Trust me. You just warm it up in your toaster oven, and it's filled with vegetable inside of it. And it's just nice. I'm gonna put it in my stories when I am eating this, and it's really good. If you're vegan, you'll like this too. Alright, and it has desi ghee. It's made with desi ghee, which is a local butter, Indian something butter. Otherwise, nice. Alright, so next time we go up on the street again, more videos, more vlogs. Peace out. Tony and make fashion. Live and laugh. Cook and eat. Mixture. I'm gonna try to eat the mixture. Mixture.